Hey guys, it's Alex Michael May and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, welcome to my channel. Please hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any of my content. I've been working on a ton of fun things and I don't want you to miss it. And I'm so excited to be virtual BFFs. Today I want to talk to you guys about one of my favorite fashion statement moment things right now that takes no time at all and it's super, super impactful. So today I'm talking about silk scarves. Whoop, 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 whoop. So I thought it'd be really fun to make a video for you guys showing you some of my favorites and just kind of get you out of your fashion style rut, because I know that happens to me. I'm gonna jump into the tutorial. I hope you enjoy. I'm gonna show you guys everything with just 2 scarves today. Personally, I love silk scarves. You can get them at vintage stores, but these 2 were sent to me by Centinelle. It's this lovely lady who designs them here in California, and they're all of her own artwork, and they're so beautiful. I'm using a large silk scarf and a medium silk scarf. You can also use small bandanas, anything that works. I'm just gonna tell you what I use size-wise to create the look that we're going for today. One thing I like to do when I'm just wearing a t-shirt like I am now, just like a plain t-shirt and jeans, I just like to take a large silk scarf and kind of get it to this point and make a big cute bow out of it. So what you do is you're just gonna take it diagonally like I did and just kind of roll it so that it is ready to go here. Then you're gonna put it around the back of your neck and tie it once to right about where you're comfortable having it hit you. So obviously you wanna make sure that you're able to breathe and that it's hitting at the right spot. So I like to do mine right about in the clavicle, right about here. Then you're just gonna tie a bow with it, you guys. This is so easy. I don't know why people don't do this more, why I didn't figure it out sooner. One thing that my grandma taught me when I was little about tying bows is that normally you're inclined to go a certain way. Whichever way feels the most natural for you, go the opposite way. For some reason, she taught me that. I don't even know if it's real, but for me, that's how I get the most perfect centered bow, is by going under instead of over. Then you're just gonna pull the ends out to create that bow, because they're kind of all tucked in. And then you're just gonna let the end kind of hang out, and then you've got this little cute Parisian bow moment. So I'm gonna use the same large silk scarf to do a headband one now. So this is one that I get asked about a lot whenever I wear it, or I actually posted it on my Instagram recently, and people were wondering how I got this interlocking moment here at the front. So I'm gonna show you that right now. This one is so easy also. And in most of these scarf tutorials, you're gonna go corner to, corner. So just find the little corners here, and then you're just gonna pull it from there. I kind of just like whoop, 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 this so that the little tail at the back's not sticking out. So then what you're gonna do is just put this at the back of your head where you want the scarf to sit. Pull the sides forward, and then you're just gonna twist them around each other twice so that they go like this. So I'm gonna do that again for you, just so you get it. So you're going to cross one side over the other side, okay? And then you're gonna cross them again. So just cross them twice, and then you're gonna pull it back like this and tie it in the back. And that's it. So now you can kind of finesse it, but as you can see, it kind of gives you that little like interlocking moment here, which looks a lot more intricate than it is. It's so easy. I like to fluff my wings here, and this feels very 70s, very vintage inspired. Love it. The back is just really simple. You can just make sure to tuck the tail there, and you're good to go. Okay, this is the last one I'm gonna do with the large scarf, and then we're gonna move on to the small scarf. This one is, again, you're gonna go ahead and go corner to corner and fold the scarf in half. So grab each of the corners, and then you're just gonna pull it tight so that you have a large triangle. You're gonna fold it over a few times to really just get a wide band with it. That's what we're going for, is just like a nice wide band. And then we'll make sure that we tuck in that little corner. So I like mine to be kind of wide, so I'm gonna go with this length, this width, I should say. And now I'm just gonna place it on my head. And again, we can tuck this guy under just so we don't see it, and you can tuck it again later if you'd like. And then I'm just gonna take this and I'm just gonna tie it underneath my hair. So this one can really be up to you how you finish it. If your hair is silky and slippery like mine, you might wanna slip a bobby pin in the back, and you would just take it and just slip it right in there. And then I love to pull the back of the little tail, just pull it around. It just gives you that very like south of France yacht moment. You can either pull your hair over top of it, or if you want to do something else, or if you've got longer hair, it can be really fun to just braid the tail of the scarf into your hair. Now we're gonna move on to the small silk scarf, and I'm gonna show you two of my favorite styles to do with this little guy. So the first one we're gonna do is half up. I like to leave my bangs out because I think it's cute. You can obviously also do this with a full ponytail. I'm just doing it with a half one to show one of my favorite things. I like to keep it kind of messy and sexy and Bridget Bardot-y, and I'm just going to do a half pony. Okay, so once you have your half pony, you're gonna take your scarf again, like we've done in the past, corner to corner here, and then just kind of roll it to get rid of that tail. And you are just going to put it underneath your half ponytail. You're gonna come up, and you're gonna tie it so that it completely wraps around your ponytail holder. And then you can either just leave it like that, or you can add a bow to it, which I like to do. It's always a little bit extra, you know? This is also super cute with a half braid, or a lot of girls like to wear it a little bit lower on their head. I just kind of like it higher, that's just my style, but you can do it however you like. And the final look is also with our small silk scarf. We are going to put our hair up in a bun, and then we're gonna wrap it around the bun. I've been using these nonstop, and they just hold your hair so much better. They give it so much volume, and I think they're the best, especially with a scarf, because when you wrap the scarf around, it gives more area for it to grab onto. So I'm gonna put my hair in a bun. You're gonna take your silk scarf for the 9 millionth time. You probably got this by now, corner to corner. You're just gonna whoop, whoop, whoop. Take it, starting around the back. We're just gonna wrap it. And then we're going to find a place where they meet, somewhere here on the side. So I'm gonna go right here. And then you're just gonna tie it. And then I'm just gonna tie it again so it's nice and secure. Just wrap it around a few times, tie the knot, and you're good to go. I just think this one's so cute if you really don't have any time to get ready, or if you're wearing something really plain and you feel like your outfit just needs a little zhuzh, and you can do it in a solid scarf or a printed scarf or whatever. And it's perfect for summer when it's really hot out, just to get your hair off your face and still feel like you made an effort. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed that video, and if you want to see more ideas for how to style scarves, please comment below. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and I want to hear from you guys. Head over to my Instagram, it's @AlexMichaelMay, and if you try these ideas, please tag me. I want to see how awesome you look. That's my little BFF community over there, so I'd really love it if you hopped over there. I have links for these specific scarves, the brands, and my Instagram below, and have a great day. Thank you.